Hi guys, as we know that Bangalore is the IT capital of India and it is the recent concrete jungle like Mumbai. But there are some beautiful places to visit in the city. One such place is the Lal Bagh Botanical Garden. So this place is located around 4 kilometers from the Kempe Gowda railway station. That is the main junction, the city junction. So Lal Bagh was commissioned by the ruler of Mysore called Hyder Ali, and later it was completed by Tipu Sultan. The name Lal Bagh came from the very fact that there are so many red roses and different kind of red flowers back then. Even today there are, but not as many as they were back then. So let us see what are the 5 things what you can do once you are in Lal Bagh. Let us go and check it out. So apart from your regular walk, strolling or running in Lal Bagh, the first thing what you could do is see this peninsular rock. It is believed that this rock is around 3000 years old. This is one of the oldest rock formations. Let's go on the top and see how the view of Lal Bagh is. Come. You also have stairs to go there, but I'm just being a little tricky over here. So guys, we have reached almost the top of this. There is a beautiful temple out there and you can see a lot of people sitting and resting on this rock, and there are a lot of people doing yoga as well here, and it gives a very good view of Lal Bagh. So this is the first thing what you could do. Come, let's see what are the few other things. The second thing to do in Lal Bagh is to come and see this adorable glass house. So during the month of January and August, different flower shows are held on the occasion of Republic Day and Independence Day. If you are in the city during that time, it's a must visit for you. You can see I am making this video in the month of September, and that is why the whole glass house is empty. So this beautiful glass house is modeled after the London's Crystal Palace in England. So the third thing to add to your list is to watch this beautiful Lal Bagh Lake. This is spread across 30 acres in this beautiful garden, and the main reason for the development of this was to provide water to the plants in the whole garden. So a few years back there was also boating services available here. You could enjoy the ride of the boat across the lake and enjoy the scenic views, but I don't know for what reasons they have stopped it now. So right opposite the Lal Bagh Lake, you can see the Lal Bagh waterfalls. So the waterfalls has the timing and it is not active now. So it starts from 7 to 7:30 in the morning, again 8 to 8:30 again in the morning. So this beautiful waterfall just adds to the beauty of Lal Bagh, and once you visit the lake, it's just right opposite to it and you must watch it. So the fourth thing what you could do in Lal Bagh is watch this beautiful clock. This is called the working analog floral clock, which is maintained by HMT. So this was installed in the year 1980s. So as a Bangalorean, one of the fond memories what I had earlier was I still have a pic in one of my father's album where I was just, I think, in grade 1 or grade 2, and I had a pic in front of this clock. So while strolling around Lal Bagh, so another thing what you can do is to explore the different historic trees which are there from thousands of years and different specialty gardens. So right now in the right side you can see the rose garden over here. You can see some beautiful parrots over here, so many of them. Along with that you could also explore different specialty gardens like the bonsai garden in the Lal Bagh. So the last thing what you could do in the Lal Bagh is come to the bandstand. Bandstand is nothing but a beautiful gazebo, and you can see people doing the yoga and different laughing exercises here. If you are a fitness freak and a health enthusiast, you can bring your yoga mat. At the end of your tour in Lal Bagh, do visit this bandstand and you can do your workouts here. So you could see this is a beautiful place to play for children. Another thing, if you are bringing your family to Lal Bagh, this is a wonderful place to sit, enjoy, bring your frisbees, football. You can see the fun children are having here. It's a beautiful Sunday, beautiful view. It's Lal Bagh. So with this exploration, you might be tired, but don't worry, Lal Bagh offers you a variety of different stalls where you can even get salads, fruits, sprouts which you can take home and eat here as well. There are also some fresh juices which are available here, and I'll be drinking one which I'll be sharing now. Guys, so like you saw, this one was the fresh vegetable juices over here, and this is carrot, which is one of my favorites, and let's see how this is tasting. This is really good, guys. So when we say it's vegetables, we think it's not tasty, but this is 100% organic, 100% pure, no, nothing mixed. It was made in front of us. It's very tasty. And you also get different varieties of vegetables like beetroot, cucumber, carrot, etc. You can choose one of them, and it just costs you rupees 40.